Hi, I'd like to offer 2 thumbs up to Green's Lawn Care. I've been a happy customer for some time now, and I've told a number of my friends that hiring Green's Lawn Care is one of the best personal decisions that I've made in recent years. You see, my yard used to be the before to my neighbor's after. You could literally see the demarcation between our property, and in which my yard looked a little scrappy, a little neglected, whereas you could practically putt-putt on my neighbor's yard. Well, no more. Now our yards look exactly the same, with the edging, my flower bed up to date, all the weeds taken care of, so I'm very pleased. Secondly, I'd like to share that Matt's level of communication has been exemplary. If there has been an issue in which I've had to text him or leave a voicemail, he always responds within 24 hours, if not, frankly, within an hour or two. So that's been very impressive. And last, I'd just like to speak to the peace of mind that I feel when I leave town for vacation and come back to find that my property has been maintained. I feel like it's a security feature for anybody who might be casing my house. Clearly, it's very obvious when I've been gone for a week or two and my yard has been neglected, so that's no longer an issue. Again, 2 thumbs up for Green's Lawn Care.